Good afternoon to all. In this session, we are going to see what is network topology topic. So, what is network and then what is topology? So, the first one is network topology comes under the data communication topics. So, first of all, we want to know what is data and then what is communication. The term daily communication means this is the communication at a distance. So, what is data? So, what is data communication? So, data communication or the exchange of data between two devices via some form of the transmission medium like a wire, cable or wireless. So communication is a two parties like a sender and then receiver to share the information, to share the communication in the medium of wire, cable. So we have the 5 components of a data communication, that is sender, receiver, message, medium and then protocol. This is the 5 components of a data communication. So sender send a message to the receiver. Sender suppose send a hi message to the receiver. So inside the sender and receiver we have some medium, some physical medium like wire or wireless. So sender send a hi message means it having a lot of rules and regulations. So rules and regulation means is nothing but that is a protocol. So in the protocol follow the in the transmission medium. So protocol is nothing but it is a set of rules and regulation in the network to share the messages. So this is the basic diagram of a data communication and then components of a data communication. So the first one is rule 1, rule 2 and then rule n. This is the protocol, that is the message. Sender send a message to the receiver. So inside the sender and then receiver the medium is nothing but that is the wired or wireless medium. Suppose message is nothing but is everything, audio, video, zip, JPEG is like etc etc. And then in the receiver side also follow the some protocols, rule 1, rule 2 and then rule n. This is the 5 components of a data communication. So let's see one by one. Message. So here message is nothing but some text, number, images, audio and video is everything is comes under the message. Suppose I want to send a image to the my friend, so that is my message. Image is nothing but message, audio is nothing but some message, some hi message, that is the text. And then in the next one, the next component is the sender and then receiver. Here sender is nothing but that is the some device, some message is created by some one sender. And then so where we are going to send a message to the receiver, to my friend. So I want to share some message through the internet. So the next one is I want to one computer to share my message to the receiver. So that is a computer, workstation and then telephone and then TV etc. These are the second component of the data communication. And the next one is transmission medium. So here transmission medium is nothing but that is the physical path. The message travels from where? The message travels to the some physical path like a wired cable. And then second and then last one is the protocol. Protocol is nothing but set of rules governing data communication. So what are all the data sent to the sender and then receiver in the physical medium, that is the following some rules and regulations. And then flow. What is the data flow means? We have 3 types of data flows in the data communication, that is a simple, half duplex and then full duplex. Suppose as what is a simplex? So mainframe sent a one message to the some system, that is the direction of the data, where this is a single direction. So mainframe and then computer, it have a single direction to the computer means that is the simplex. Suppose we have both sender and then receiver, send a one data and then response to the receiver, that is then half duplex. And then what is full duplex? So station and then stations share the data simultaneously, that is the full duplex. So this is the data communication. Inside the data communication topics, our network topology available in the network. So first of all I want to know what is network. So network is nothing but it is a set of devices connected together to share the informations. So a network is a set of devices connected by a communication link. Communication link means some wired or wireless. A node can be a computer. Once a computer connected to the internet, that is the node. So a node can be a computer or printer or any other capable of sending and receiving the data. So what are the network criteria? So what is my network criteria? So there are three types of important criteria in network. First one, the performance, and then reliability, and then last one is security. So the performance is nothing but this is the speed, time. So modes measured by the throughout the delay. So throughput and then delay, this is the performance. Reliability, this is the frequency of failure. So there is no failure in my data. And then recovery time for a failure. Suppose I send a message to the receiver. Suppose my message is lost. So and at that time we are recovering some data from the failure. And then last one is security. Security is nothing but protecting their data from unauthorized access and then damage. This is the main criteria in the network. So what is the network? Network is a set of devices connected by a communication link. Here one computer is connected in the internet. That time the computer is called a node. And then the type of connection. So what are all the types? Point to point and then multi-point. So point to point is nothing but is a single point link to the station, and then multi-point is nothing but one mainframe having a lot of connection in the stations. That is the multi-point or multi-drop connection. So what is topology? So topology is nothing but this is also structure of a network. So what is the structure? Where my computer is connected, that is the topology. So we have 5 types of topology in the network. First one, mesh topology, and then second one, star topology, and then bus topology, ring topology, and then the last one is hybrid topology. The first one, mesh topology. This is the connection of a telephone regional office. And then the star topology is a high speed LAN connection. Already we are know LAN connections, local area network, that is the connection of within the building. And then third one is bus topology. This is the yearly Ethernet connection. It is having a single line to connect all the stations. So and the next one, ring topology. Ring topology, all the stations are connected in a ring format. This is the IEEE 802.5. This is the one example for ring topology. And then also metropolitan area network is a example of ring topology. And then hybrid topology, this is the combination of 2 or more network topology. It having a bus, a ring, and then star. These are all the hybrid topologies. So what is the categories of networks? So we have 4 important categories in a network, that is local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network, and then personal area network. So this is a short form, LAN,